Hi guys, in this video together with you I will install performance pedal covers on our BMW. With the pedal covers we had two options for this car, so newer models from F Series, but I don't really like style how they looks, and I heard that they're not complete plug and play because they're slightly different shape. You can fit them but they're not gonna fit perfectly, and that's why I tried to find original performance pedal covers which were from E Series, and I contacted my local BMW dealership, and I was surprised because they told me that there are only 2 kits left for whole UK. So now we have it here. To be honest guys, I was a bit surprised when I ordered original accessories performance part. I thought it will be some fancy box, maybe some nice packaging, but literally it's coming pretty much same like if you will order them from eBay. So what we have here, I never opened them before, so we're doing this first time with you. Pedals, what we have here, probably it's templates. Yeah, that's the templates which we're gonna use for drilling our pedals, and some screws. Okay, let's open this one. So how you can see, there's nothing difficult, should be pretty much straightforward. So we have the brake pedal and the accelerator pedal. So yeah, because it's just a 2 kits, well, at least from BMW, only 2 kits left in whole UK. Now it's one. So if you want to buy this one from BMW in UK, you need to do it right now, because probably it will be sold and they're not anymore in production because it's quite old model. I think you can find them easily somewhere on eBay or Amazon, but I wanted exactly genuine original part from BMW. That's why I ordered it from my local dealership. This thing was tight. Literally, it's quite difficult to fit this rubber inside. So prepare yourself. You need to use your all finger power what you have. So yeah, I didn't expect it will be so tight. The brake pedal is done. What we need, so we need Torx 15 for the bolts which are supplied with the pedal kit. Small head for 7 mm just to tie these small bolts, and nuts for the nuts behind them. I would say about the original template, probably you've seen, I will try to make a footage of this. I did one extra hole there because I was using template, and I can't say it's incorrect, but I would say without it's much easier. So make just one hole. After, you can align with this one hole, you can align whole pedal, and after that just use the pedal holes to drill another ones. You will see it how I did. And a drill, I used the 4mm drill bit for this one. The 3mm was too small, I cannot pass the screw through the hole, so 4mm completely enough. I don't have special like drill bits for the metal or something, so I just took universal, and that's why at some point I need to apply more pressure on it. But yeah, so 15mm torque, 4mm drill bit, and I had 7mm just for the bolts behind, and that's all what we need for the brake pedal. So now we will clean with the brake cleaner accelerator pedal, and because it's plastic, I guess it will be much easier. Well guys, all done. I would recommend you, if you have some rubber floor mat, or put something there, because these metal bits, they flying everywhere, and especially be careful. I didn't use gloves because they're small bolts and I want to like feel them properly, but these metal bits can stuck in your skin and it's quite painful. It happened with me once already. So yeah, because I have rubber mat, I will just throw away, clean it, and they're not gonna stuck in the initial carpet of the car. So for the accelerator, I used 3mm bit for the drill. The reason is because the brake screws, there is a bolt and nut on other side. So basically you need to make bigger hole and squeeze the bolt through it. Because on the accelerator, it using the screws, if you will make hole too big, the screw not gonna tight anything. Yes, it still have the double tape, but we need to make sure the screws will screw inside tightly. So that's why I used smaller bit, and because it's plastic, I just screw this screws in the plastic, and now it's everything there, and they quite tight, so completely safe, and probably will last long time, hopefully.